how to recover your Brawl Stars account without your Supercell ID. So first, open your web browser. Here you can search for Brawl Star support, and once you search for it, the Supercell Brawl Star support should be the first link that pops up. So you can just tap on the Supercell support portal, tap on recover your account, and you can tap on I've lost access to my account. So as you can see, Supercell has set out a support website of what you can do if you lost your account. So first, you can search through your email accounts for any messages mentioning Supercell ID. If you found that, you can find your Supercell ID tagged to your device. But if you have lost your access to email account, what you can do is acquire an email and get your codes ready. Then you can contact the Supercell help and support team. To do that, as you can see, you can select help and support option, then tap on blue message bubble to contact them and choose the option related to your account access and Supercell ID. Alright, so want to contact Supercell, you just need to type in support contact us. You can see this contact form right here. Once you open the contact form, you can scroll down and tap on contact us and then select the first category. If you have lost your access to account, so you can choose something else. And from here, what you can do is enter your player tag from Brawl Stars and your email address that was linked to your Supercell ID. Or you can enter any of the email that you have access to right now and just type in your message that you've lost access to your account. And finally, tap on this captcha to complete it. And once you do that, what you can do is simply submit the form right here, and the Supercell help and support team should receive your message or your form, and they should come up with a solution on how you can recover your account. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.